Do you know the difference between copywriting, copy W-R-I-T-I-N-G, and copyright, copy R-I-G-H-T? If you're not clear what the difference is between these two and you work in business, especially if you regularly interact with marketing teams, then you're going to want to watch this video. And if you're a copywriter and your friends and family don't understand what you do, just send them this video and then they'll get it. What's up, guys? I'm Robin, your B2B marketing bestie, and after working at a top marketing agency for 7 years, sometimes I would come across clients who, when I started talking about the copywriting process, they would get this blank look on their face, and it was clear they didn't know what I was talking about, but they didn't want to admit it. Oftentimes, they would think that I was talking about copyright, copy R-I-G-H-T, which is very different than copywriting. Yes, these two words are homonyms, meaning they sound alike, but they have totally different meanings. So let's break it down. Okay, let's first talk about copyright, copy R-I-G-H-T, because this is usually the first thing that pops into somebody's head when we start talking about it. You've probably seen it when you open up one of the first pages of a book and you see the word copyright with the little C and a circle around it and then the year that it was published. And that is what most people think about when they hear copyright. So let's break down what this means. So copyright is a law that protects the author of an intellectual property against unauthorized use. And this could mean books, plays, art, music, anything that is creative or is an intellectual property. So only the author has the right to copy or reproduce the work. So really we're talking about rights here. Who owns the rights to this work? And that's why it's R-I-G-H-T, copyright. Now let's look at copywriting, copy W-R-I-T-I-N-G. And first we need to define what copy means in marketing. Copy refers to the text that you see in marketing materials. So whether it's an ad or a website or an email or a brochure, any kind of text that you see that was written is considered copy. So this is copy, and this is copy, and this is copy. And so by definition, copywriting is just the process of writing that copy. And a copywriter is a person whose specialty it is to write that copy in marketing. And the copywriting process needs to be factored into the time it takes to create a marketing piece, because the graphic designer doesn't typically do copywriting. It's just not their wheelhouse. You need a specialized person whose job it is to write copy to hand it off to the graphic designer before they start designing the piece. So the copywriter typically gives the copy once it's finished and approved to the designer, and then the designer can craft the ad or the landing page or the website or whatever. And here's a pro tip. In marketing, copy itself is a plural noun. So you don't get the copies from the copywriter, you get the copy from the copywriter. Unless, of course, you're getting copies of the copy, but now we're just getting way too meta for this video. So now you know the difference between copyright and copywriting, and the marketing team can stop having a laugh at your expense. I'm not saying it's right, but sometimes it happens. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on B2B marketing that will help you look smart and help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.